welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Today I'm gonna be doing Juvia's Place products. I have my blush palette, I have two eyeshadow palettes by Juvia's Place, and I have one of their highlighters as well. So I'm just gonna be playing around with some Juvia's Place products because a while ago I put a poll on my Instagram between Juvia's Place products and a teacher makeup look. That's kind of my everyday go-to makeup look when I'm teaching. And this got the higher vote, but not by much. So my next video will definitely be the teacher look video. But today's all about Juvia's Place. Support Black-owned businesses, y'all. Juvia's Place is amazing. Everything is super, super pigmented, super, super cute. This palette, my Nubian II palette, is beat up, as you can see, because I use this palette all the time. It's gorgeous, okay? I'll also be working with the Afrique palette. And I'm thinking of doing something bright and vibrant today, guys, because usually that's not necessarily my memo. So I'm thinking we're gonna, maybe do something with these blues and this yellow and green. Let's do something bright and fun because it felt like spring for the first time in a long time today. I also have the Saharan Blush Volume 2 blush palette, which can also double as eyeshadow, but primarily blush. I also use this one as highlight all the time because it's a really nice champagne-y pink color. Wow, it's really blown out in the light, but it's beautiful. Yeah, with like gold. Ugh, it's beautiful. Anyways, so let's get started. I am going to just go in to the Afrique palette, and I'm gonna take this bright yellow called Aya, A-Y-A. How would you pronounce that? Aya? Aya means girl in Spanish, so I don't think it's Aya. I'm gonna go with Aya. Okay, I like Aya. And I'm just gonna put this in my crease. So I've already put foundation on and put concealer and primed my eyes, and I have contour and my eyebrows on, but that is all. Wow, okay, Aya going in. She is going in. I tried this a while ago and it didn't come out this pigmented, but I don't remember if I primed my eyes the time I used that. I want to look like a peacock by the end of this, like a beautiful exotic peacock and bird. The peacock is a bird. Okay, well. So I'm just going to do a bunch of this yellow, and I'm going to bring it up to my brow because my only thing about these Juvia's Place palettes is there aren't many or any really matte highlight shades for the brow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow this out so that way I don't really have to highlight the brow. And I've already kind of highlighted my brow with some concealer, which usually I don't do, but today I decided to do that. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful. I'm stunned. I'm stunned. Okay, so next, what do I want to do next? I'm gonna take a little bit of Angelique. Oh, it's like my color. And this is pretty sparkly, but I'm just gonna lightly dust it under my brow to highlight it. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, girl. So let's see. Oh, I was dumb. I didn't bring a little mirror in here. So I'm just gonna have to get real close up in here. Hi friends. Oh my goodness. My skin is mad at me right now, but it's okay. I'm still cute or whatever, as Brett Manrock would say.
I mean, you're cute or whatever, but
I think I'm gonna go in with Dakar, which is this like, it looks more red on the monitor, but it's actually like a deep burnt orange. And I'm just gonna deepen the crease a little bit with that color and onto the lid. Oh, fuck. I got it on the yellow. I'm so mad. That's okay. We'll make it work. We'll Tim gun it. So maybe I'm going for like a sunset look today. I don't know. Let's go for, yeah, I think a sunset would be beautiful. Let's do a sunset look, y'all. Gonna go into the Nubian II palette, and I'm gonna get this Jezebel color, which is this purple color, and I'm going to put that on my lid. Oh, I forgot how pigmented this is. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. She's gorgeous. Oh, okay. Well, let's blend that out just, you know, a little, maybe. Oh my goodness. Have you ever, can you believe? Oh, she is gorgeous. I'm stunned. I'm shook. I'm shook and stunned. Further out too. I don't just want it in the center. We don't want a halo sunset. We want a full sunset, not a halo sunset. You know what I mean? Okay. Wow, I actually, oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take this, oh God, it's in French. Oh my God. I am going to take my small brush and I'm gonna go into, I took French diction because I'm a classically trained singer, so I should know how to say this. Okay. Côte de l'Ivoire. Côte de l'Ivoire. I think that's how you would sing it. You would speak it, it'd be Côte de l'Ivoire. Côte de l'Ivoire. I have no idea what that means, but I think that's how it's pronounced. Côte de l'Ivoire. Anyways, we're gonna take the blue shade and we're going to, I'm afraid there's gonna be so much fallout on this, so I'm just gonna tap it. Oh yeah, it was kind of fallouty. And I'm gonna put this on my waterline and the lower lash line as like the water of our sunset. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, wait. I need to get in here so you guys can see this. Oh my Lanta. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Okay, now all I need to do left for this eye is highlight the inner corner, which I'm just gonna go back into, actually, I'm not gonna go back into Angelique. My favorite shade is in the Nubian II palette, and it is, I literally can't even, oh, there we go. It's called Zuri. You can tell I have beaten it to death. But I'm gonna go into Zuri and I'm gonna use this as my inner corner highlight. And I'm just gonna pack it in there. Extend it out a little bit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Do you guys know that video? The two guys like battling their oh my gods. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera, add some eyeliner and some lashes, and then we'll go to cheeks, and then we'll be done with this look. So I'll be right back. All right, and I am back. I threw on some eyeliner and some eyelashes and some lipstick, and the eyelashes are just Ardell Wispies. The eyeliner is Milani. It's like their 12-hour matte liquid liner. The lipstick is ColourPop Ultra Matte Color in Lovebug. It's on my finger. With the topper of the Princess Tiana Disney Designer Collection lip gloss in Gourmet Dreams. It smells so good. It smells like toffee. It smells so good. So the last thing we need to do is cheeks. I haven't done cheeks. I've just have contour on. So I was thinking of using Tao, which is this orangey apricot blush color, because I think it'll look really nice with the oranges and purples that are happening in the eye and a little bit with the lips. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna dab that on. And a little goes a long way with basically any Juvia's Place product, but especially their blush. It's super, super, super pigmented. So I like to dab and then spread from that. As you can tell, I put way too much on this side, but that's okay. That is a-okay. So I'm just gonna kind of chill this side the hell out by taking some off. Come on, I feel like I'm patting my head, you know, if you know, you know. So I'm just gonna clean that up. I don't want it to be like, and here are my cheeks. I want it to be nice and defined and just kind of a really nice blush. It's hard, the lighting keeps changing, but that's the blush. So that is Tao from the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And last but not least is the Heroine Glow 1, which is their highlighter, and it looks like this, and it's beautiful. Let's see. Oh, and it's so soft, you guys. It doesn't look soft, but it is so soft. Oh my goodness. My goodness. So I'm just gonna take my fan brush. I do it dry, but I have done it wet before, and it is equally as beautiful when it's wet or dry. Just depends on how luminous you want to look. So on my fan brush, I'm just gonna put it there, and it's just a nice glow on the cheeks. So there you go, there you can see it. Yup. Hello there. And I like that it's called Heroine. Like, I don't know, I just feel so badass when I'm wearing this highlighter, so I think it's just an appropriate name for it. There we go. So yeah, if you want a less subtle glow, I would definitely wet your brush, or not use a fan brush, use maybe a more compact brush like this. And I'm just gonna highlight my nose and my forehead and my chin. I'm so mad this lip color looks really red on camera, but in real life it's like an orangey color. Wild what lighting can do, but it still looks pretty good. So yeah, this I think is the full Juvia's Place face, eye, and cheek. I shouldn't say whole face. I didn't use like their concealer or lipstick or foundation or eyebrow stuff or anything like that, but full Juvia's Place eye and cheek look. I'm really digging it. Let's get up close in here. Yes, she's beautiful. It's a sunset on my face. So that is the look for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello. I knocked over my water bottle. That was embarrassing. I just got really excited to be filming again. But hello, everyone. With the topper of the Princess Tiana. Is holy Moses. There was some fallout, but bye.